Very simply put, market is in grind up mode right now. I mean, we've been in this uptrend since the March 18th lows technically, but now it seems like we're just kind of hitting that grind up mode. We've seen this market similar in like 2014, 2013, where we just kind of was on this like grinding uptrend where it's like not the most beautiful moves higher, but you know, prices are moving higher nonetheless. We're seeing a lot of rotation lately into financials, energy names, you know, utility names, industrial names. So there's a lot of market rotation going on, maybe suggesting the coronavirus recovery. Those cyclical names, they're starting to bounce back a lot harder, meaning the recovery might be more swift than people anticipate.
Shake, if you want, I sent you over two charts. Again, last week we talked about like a real-time rebalancing lesson, so I have another one to kind of hammer this lesson in.
Yeah, I got the VDE.
Start with VHT.
You got VHT.
All right. So again, last week we talked about rebalancing. We'll try to give some more real-world examples. So in this example, say you had VHT and you had VDE. You had these two ETFs. One was healthcare, one is energy. In VHT, more than likely you're profitable in this position had you bought it basically any time in the past other than, say, the beginning of this year. And now conversely with VDE, you're more than likely down unless you bought it within the last month or so. So in this example, since you're up in this VHT, in this healthcare sector, as it's coming back into that retest, that prior high around 200, you can take some gains off in VHT. So you're selling some VHT, you're taking the cash from that, and then Shake, if you want to pull up VDE now, you would take the proceeds from VHT and then buy more of the underperforming sector, which would be the energy sector right now. So you sell some of VHT up into 200, some of it, not all of it. You take some of the cash from that sale and you pick up some more of the VDE, more than likely bringing your cost basis down, and you add up for 54. And this is if you think about that example, you're selling some of the winner, you're buying back some of that loser, and you continue to rotate that money. You're always locking in profits and adding back to the weaker sectors. And in a year from now, VDE's back near highs and maybe have to pull back. Then you're selling VDE near 84, and you're buying, VHT back in those, the lower, mid 100s. So hopefully this is another more real world example of rebalancing that we can continue to hammer in.